Function and Mode Introduction. The User Function button. Power on default display Heading Following Mode HF. The lens moves following the handle to rotate left and right. Keep still in other directions. Click the Function button to enter Lock Mode ALK. The lens remains motionless. Double-click the Function button to enter Panning and Tilting Following Mode TF. The lens moves following the panning and tilting axis. The camera can be shot in these directions: up, down, left, and right. Triple-click the Function button to enter all following mode. The lens follows the movements of the handle. The User Trigger button. Press and hold the trigger button to enter the hunting mode. The lens will follow faster. Double-click the trigger button to reset the gimbal. The gimbal also returns to heading following mode. Triple-click the trigger button to enter self-timer mode. Double-click the trigger button to reset.